hey, Whitey. How you doing, buddy? I am so tired today. Well, 2 days prior, you guys woke me up or jumping on me at like 3:30 or 4 in the morning. And then I went to my guy's house and he snores like a wildebeest. Yes. Yeah, he does, Dex. I don't care. I'm tired of it. Yeah, so I was wearing earplugs. I had them so far into my ears, I thought they were stuck in my brain and it didn't help. And then, guess what, Dex? What's that? Oh, okay. No, we're not going outside. It's pouring. It's raining cats and dogs, okay? But anyways, he had the nerve to say, "You tossed and turned all night," after I watched him lay there with his mouth open, snoring like a wildebeest.